morning. Today is an impact day due to strong winds. So we are going to be seeing some strong westerly winds today, 20 to 30 miles per hour. We could have some gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. Tomorrow, I think the impacts are going to be in the morning for you. We could see some snow squalls around tomorrow morning as a powerful cold front comes in. And that cold front is going to lead to much colder air next week. Some days we won't even get above freezing for the high. News 8 Storm Team forecast today. Showers, some drizzle still possible around this morning, but I'm also seeing some peaks in the clouds. Winds will be increasing here shortly. For the afternoon, strong winds. Some clearing happens behind this front that comes through, and we should see partly cloudy skies this evening. Still windy, but winds start to diminish this evening into tonight. Overnight, brisk winds about 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's going to keep our temperatures near 30 degrees. And then tomorrow, watch out for those snow squalls in the morning. If you're out and about, especially at church services, there could be some scattered snow squalls, those heavy snow showers that reduce visibility to near zero very quickly on the roads. So you want to make sure you slow down slowly and pull off where it's safe if you encounter any of those snow squalls tomorrow morning. But they're gone by lunchtime. The rest of the day is just going to be blustery and partly sunny. Highs tomorrow, look at that, in the 30s. Here's a live look in York, seeing some clearing right now. I still think there could be a lingering shower around this morning, a little later this morning, and then we see partial clearing across the area for the rest of the afternoon. Temperature-wise, it's mild. Look at 50 degrees in Lancaster right now, 46 in York, 43 in York rather, 46 in Carlisle, and we have 42 currently in Chambersburg. Here's our predictor: sustained winds. They will pick up within the next couple of hours. They're coming at you out of the west today, 20 to 30 miles per hour. I think the strongest winds will be around at lunchtime through the afternoon, and then they start to diminish a bit this evening. Overnight, still pretty brisk, and tomorrow winds will pick up again behind that strong cold front. We could see sustained winds 15 to 25, some gusts up to 40 tomorrow. So here's a look at the Storm Team Live Radar Network. Bulk of the rain off to our northeast. We got about an inch in some spots overnight with that system. The back edge of the system is still behind us, and this is the leading edge of the colder air that's going to be coming in for tomorrow. So on the predictor today, maybe a shower later this morning, then we see partial clearing into the afternoon. The wind is my main concern today. For tonight, partly cloudy skies, and then tomorrow, here comes that colder air. Watch these snow squalls in the morning. See them? They're just very tiny, but they're potent. They put down some really quick, heavy snow. They could coat the roads, so if you're out and about tomorrow morning, use caution. As we head into the afternoon, the snow squalls are gone. The wind remains and finally dies down as we head into the holiday on Monday. So Monday's looking like a nice day. However, knocking on our doorstep Monday night, we have some snow, and we've been talking a lot about this one, but here's the deal. This storm system, it's pretty flat. It's going to be fast moving. I don't anticipate anything big as far as snow totals on Tuesday, but we could get a nuisance snow here with an inch or two, couple of inches. Won't rule that out. It's certainly going to be cold enough for that snow to stick and stick around too. So on Tuesday, we're looking for some light snow. I'm leaning toward the nuisance category here, maybe an inch or two, starting late Monday night into Tuesday morning and ending Tuesday afternoon. So it is a fast mover, but temperatures are going to be cold enough to see some snow-covered roads, and anything that falls is going to stick around with this 10-day forecast. So look at this. Tuesday, we have that chance of snow for you. Wednesday's high might not get out of the 20s. Thursday, we're just about at freezing. Friday, another chance of snow as a fast-moving system zips through. It's going to pull down colder air behind it on Saturday, and then we still stay in the 30s for Sunday and next Monday. Boy, Jay, I am not ready for those lows in the teens.
Again, that's